Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Today our topic is about the types of the joints in welding. As we connect the members in the civil engineering by two types of supports. One is called the joint, one is called the bolt joint, and one is called the welding joint. So in this lecture I will explain and define the types of the joint in welding, in which we weld the two member by welding. So we are going to discuss these joints in this lecture. So coming to the first one, these are the 5 types. I will explain one by one with the diagram. So the first type of the joint in welding is the butt joint. So this is the type of the welding joint in which we combine the two joints in plane. For example, this is one member and this is another member. So we combine these two by welding. We weld these two member here in one plane. For example, this is one member and this is another member. So we join these two member in one plane. So we call this type of the joint is the butt joint. This is the most common used joint in engineering and steel structures. So when these two surfaces are joined together in one plane, we call this type of joint is the butt joint. The second type of joint is the corner joint. The corner joint, this is by the name we can say that it is in the corner. So we weld the two members and join the two members by welding the two members in the corner of the one member and the corner of the second member. So we put the weld here and we join these two members at the corner. So we call this type of the joint in welding is the corner joint. It's only connected at the corners. This we weld here. So the third type of the joint is the lap joint. Lap joint. This is the type of the joint in which the two members are overlapped. Like for example, this member is overlapped with the other member. So because this is overlapping distance, so we call is the lap joint in welding. We put the weld here and the above the one member and the other member. So these are overlapped now. So we put the weld here. So this joint is called lap joint because they are now lapped with one another. The fourth type of the joint is the T joint. Its name indicates that it is in the shape of T. You can say it is inverted T. So we call it the T joint. And we weld these two members here at the bottom of the one another at there. So we call is the weld T joint because it is in the shape of the T. So that's why we call it the T joint. The last and the fifth type of the joint is the edge joint in welding, and it is the type of the joint in welding where the one surface of the two members, like for example, this is the first member and this is the second member. So the surface area of the one member is connected with the another one only at the common joint. At the common, this one surface is the common between these two members. So and we join these two by this only one common area. So we call it the edge joint because the edge is common in both these two members, and we weld the edge of these two members. So we call this is the edge joint. So this was all about the types of joint in welding. I will also upload the video on the types of joint in the bolts. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.